What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to get into a review on the Nike Tech Fleece Parka. The Nike Tech Fleece Parka retailed at $275. This is a little bit of an older release, but it's still a piece that I wear pretty often. I own a lot of Tech Fleece products, and I'll do a video for you guys later on where I'll show you guys a review of my whole tech collection. This jacket is by far my favorite jacket out of my Nike Tech Fleece collection. I started this YouTube channel to help people like me find more information on Nike Lab and Nike Tech products. Without further ado, let's get into the review. Now for sizing, I went with the double XL. I'm 6'3", 230 pounds for sizing reference. I normally wear an XLT, and it's normally hard to find in most pieces. So I rotate in between an XL and a double XL. In all Tech Fleece, I get a double XL. But personally, I would have got an XL in this piece. This is a pretty high price for a Tech Fleece product. As this is an older piece, you're able to find this product on sites such as eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. I would not pay $275 for this piece. You can definitely find this on eBay for around $120, $130. Although this is an older piece, I still think it looks really good, and I think that this would be a good product for you to add to your collection. They have a ton of different color options. I personally went with the black colorway. This doesn't feel like your standard Nike Tech Fleece. This is very premium. The outer shell has a different type of material. This body is made up of 78% cotton, 16% polyester, and 6% spandex. Now this jacket will keep you very warm. It is a little on the heavier side. As a normal parka, this does have a pretty long length. It features two front pockets. I don't really use the two front pockets. I'm actually not a big fan of them. It features a nice Nike swoosh on the sleeve. A big dislike on this hoodie is the hood itself. I think that the shape is very weird. It does feature an adjustable strap on the back of the hood. I really love the covered zipper. I think that was a really nice touch that they added to this jacket. Things that I would have liked to see on this jacket. I would have liked them to add straps on the wrist. I think that an adjustable waist would have been nice as well. I really like how this piece, I don't really see anyone wearing, and I think that that's super nice because with Tech Fleece, you kind of see Tech Fleece everywhere. And then when you pull out something like this, it's just different. This jacket almost feels Nike Lab quality. Overall, I really like this jacket, and I think it's a really good piece to add to your collection. I think that you could get this at a lower price point if you shop on other apps. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This is not a sponsored video. This is all from my collection, what I've acquired. I'm trying to help you guys because I know that there's not a lot of videos out there on these type of products. I do find that this product is very much worth it, and I think that you can get this for a much lower price. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I own a ton of Nike Tech Fleece and a ton of Nike Lab products, so I'm trying to get that out for you guys. I'll bring a lot more content like this. Check out my other YouTube videos.
Laugh gon'